Give your Honda CRV a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of luxe faux leather, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set offers 3 detachable headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections, and 2 bench seat bottom sections to accommodate the 60-40 split seats. The covers are impeccably designed with thick foam padding, are waterproof, airbag compatible, and feature a perforated center panel for breathability. Plus, the backside of the front seat features a handy slip pocket to safely store personal items. Protect the interior and full value of your Honda CR-V with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit seat covers. Available in a variety of shades in both luxe faux leather and ultraflex neoprene.